How to improve physical stamina and endurance. Whether you're training for a marathon or chasing a toddler around the house, there are plenty of reasons to want more stamina. Often referred to as endurance, stamina is your ability to sustain a physical or mental effort for a long period of time. If you've been experiencing a personal energy crisis lately, developing your endurance might be just the thing for recovering your zing. 1. Reduce recovery time and resistance. To build muscle endurance, limit your recovery time between sets to 30 to 90 seconds. Want to kick things up a notch? Take the recovery time and the weight down a notch. 2. Maintain balance. Cutting your recovery time and pushing yourself during a workout are great steps toward having more stamina, but don't forget that your body still deserves some rest and relaxation. You want to train hard, but if you end up training hard every day, you might find that the intensity you put out gets lower and lower. 3. Ratchet up intensity. There is a time and a place for keeping a steady pace, but if you really want to increase stamina, then increase the intensity, doing short intervals at a sprint pace. It could be running, rowing, biking, or doing other kinds of exercises such as burpees, squats, or even push-ups. Whatever you do, you'll know you've increased the intensity when you're out of breath and feel that good burning sensation in whatever muscles are being worked. 4. Remember, frequency plus duration. Feeling the burn after an intense but short bout of burpees is a sign you're working your muscles. But hey, don't forget the other two components that comprise the stamina-building trifecta: frequency and duration. Make sure you're not only going all out one day per week, but that you're meeting the American College of Sports Medicine's recommendation, which includes doing 3 to 5 workouts weekly each for 20+ minutes. 5. Think mind over matter. Another important way to increase your stamina is to use the power of your mind. Our minds are the key to either pushing our bodies or stopping short. If we want to increase stamina, we have to be willing to push the envelope. And to do that, we need willingness and determination. 6. Music. Listening to music can increase your cardiac efficiency. The 30 participants in this study had a lowered heart rate when exercising while listening to their chosen music. They were able to put forth less effort exercising when listening to music than when exercising without music. As you focus on increasing your energy levels, bear in mind that it's natural to experience energy ebbs and flows. Don't expect to be operating at your maximum potential at all times. Remember to listen to your body and rest as needed. Avoid pushing yourself to the point of exhaustion. If you feel that you're making changes to increase your stamina without getting any results, you may wish to see a doctor. Your doctor can determine if you have any underlying health issues that are affecting your performance. Stay focused on your ideal plan for overall well-being. Discover how to get rid of diminished wrinkles, crow's feet, laugh lines, and age spots, how to get a skin that looks and feels firmer and smoother, how to gain increased physical stamina, weight loss with decreased body fat, increased lean muscle and strengthened nails. Click the link below this video to learn more. Become immune to the passage of time, how to get better mood and mental sharpness, with lowered cholesterol, increased results from exercise, reinvigorated sex drive and performance, a strengthened immune system, greater memory and focus, clearer, healthier vision, better sleep, a faster metabolism, stabilized blood sugar levels, improved hair condition and color. Click the link below this video to learn more. Please hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and leave a comment below this video to let me know your thoughts.